Hi everyone, I'm just going to show you around the workshops and what we're getting up to over this past month or two. Underneath the storage facility here we've got a couple of crates that are boxed up bikes about to leave to go to the USA. We've got Jerry's race bike here, and behind that we've got a little electric conversion on a 1950s Vespa that I'm doing. These are some Lambrettas in for some work, and I have well, this little LD here's just had some cables, a good service, and the cobwebs blowing out of it, getting ready for the ride out run season. This is a little LD I bought in bits. It was unfinished, abandoned project. We finished it off, got new cables in it, checked it out, got it running, and good for sale. That's for sale. This is for sale. A nice GP 200 Italian, and in the original red that they came in, up and running, ready to sell on the site. Going through the workshops here, I have the electric conversion room. So in here, we have just converted a GS 150 to electric, and we've done twin batteries on this one. So we wanted a little bit more range, so we got a double battery set up on it. Now, going through the yard, got a lot of work in. You can imagine the usual thing. Come the good weather again, everyone gets their scooter out of the shed. Will it start? Won't it start? These days, you can blame the ethanol in the fuel for bikes really suffering over the winter, not starting up correctly, because that fuel goes stale, and we've got to freshen the bikes up again, put new fuel in, give it a service, basically generally get it up and running again. Now, lots of that going on. I've got this little PX 200 just come into stock. That'll be on the website soon. That's a nice clean bike, one of the last PX disc models. Got a D model in for electric conversion, and nice bike, but he wants to use it as an electric conversion. We're working on a lot of customers have PXs in for servicing, and we also have some PXs for sale. This black PX here is a nice clean straight, low mileage, just 7,000 on that clock. Now, I still have some lovely classic scooters for sale. This is an old VVB 10-inch wheel PX 125 engine that we have on our website for sale. That's an old retro special scooter I did many years ago. We've got the rare and wonderful Honda Juno, very rare bike, and I've got Li Series 2 for sale. Lovely big windscreen on it. I'm a fan of windscreens myself, ex-courier. It really does work. It's like protects you from all weathers, like sitting in a car. Lots of project bikes here going on. Getting into my electrification of mopeds, but that's for later. Got our lovely, weird and wonderful Salisbury and Cushman scooter, but again, more projects for the electric conversions, which we will be doing later. A favorite of mine is this French 50s scooter here. Little, I call it like a mini VS1, but it's actually a standard 150 model from France, Acma, and 9-inch wheels on this here one. It's an original patina. We're just doing a sympathetic overhaul on the engine, new cables, new tires, getting it back on the road basically. So that's a lovely little project we're doing. Again, more service work. Some need more than others, as you can see in this one. Needed an engine because the old engine was knackered, so recalling the PX engine, that's going in it. Not just that, all new Teflon cables needed. Steering bones, tires, you can imagine. It just it needs a right good shakedown to get back on the road. Oh, we got a, yeah, so this grey PX is on the website for sale. It's quite a good bargain price because it's a Q-plate bike. it lost its original registration, but it's now registered back on the road as a Q plate, but very cheap for what it is. It's a fully restored bike, nice paint job, clean, but 2.5 grand. We'll go into the workshops and see what the guys are working on. Right, we're on TV, I'm afraid. Got a beast of an engine being worked on here. It's actually had BGM engine.
No.
No, what is it?
BFA.
BFA, excuse me. BFA, what's CC?
306.
306, beast of a thing. 306 engine, and it's had to have disc brake on the front to accommodate its ridiculously fast engine. We have an SS90 being built here as well, so that's coming together as and when some parts arrive for it. Go back outside. I've just popped into Jerry's Lambretta workshop, where Jerry's been doing a lot of servicing lately. A mixed model of LDs. He's got an LD on the bench at the minute. The LDs have had a lot of upgrades in recent years. You know, they've got new top ends coming out, new electronic ignitions, better braking, better suspension, so on. But they're becoming very popular as well, the old shaft-driven models, and they have their own little rallies and stuff. So he's been doing a lot of Ds, LDs, getting them ready for the new season. And there is just your normal Lambretta servicing, engine rebuilds as well as part of it. Just finishing a couple of high-end restorations as well, which we will reveal in the next few months. But right now, just busy trying to get people up and ready for the coming season. So here we've got a Targa twin engine. Now this belongs to a scooter that we're doing a full restoration on, but we're not touching the engine on it. So that engine's all done. So we'll take that out, set it to one side, and like, you know, we don't always do absolutely everything when we do a restoration. Some people just want us to do body work. So strip their bike, get it painted, and then build that up again and put their, you know, chosen engine back into it. So there's a mixed bag of everything that we'll do. We do engine rebuilds, of course, but we do just body work as well. And then we do just body painting as well for those customers who just want to take it away and do their own build. So anything and everything and each way around you want to do it. PX been restored, and this chap's owned this bike for about 25 years. It's really sentimental value to him. He's had it so long, and his kids has it now, and his young son rides it, but he wanted to restore it for his son as a present. And yeah, a father-son love this bike. They've grew up on it, and it's been done in a nice early 60s green or 50s green that he's chose on it. Lovely restored Lambretta there. In the what the guys call the dirty room, where they do all the welding and filling and cutting and whatever, they're working on this is an old 50s early 50s Vespa that's going to be made into a Sojourning, a 6-day racer, the early version of it. Now, to show you the extent that the body shop boys that they go into, you know, this bike is having everything done to it. It's having a new leg shield, which they'll mold into the shape of the 6-day racer. They're having a new tank section, new side panels, and basically a lot of work in that book there. It'll hopefully end up like the say journeys of the late 40s, early 50s is the plan. But an immense amount of work, as you can see. Lots of panel work needed, lots of actual panel beating, welding, and floor manipulating to get it to look like that. But yeah, not just a paint job. up here in this lovely well-lit room, which helps the paint dry on these newly painted bikes, we have, this is Spanish Vespa Sprint and GT actually. This is an early 50s Clubman under the wraps there. And this is a special order here. This is I know it's a weird non-Vespa color. This is a customer's chosen the color that goes with his company branding, and he's having this electrified. Over in the corner here, we've got a lovely old GS 60s or 1950s even racer. We keep a lot of bikes in primer as well. These are a couple of small frames and a large frame, and they are sort of sitting, waiting for a customer to choose a color. So if somebody wants a small frame or a large frame, paint it, choose a color, choose an engine, we'll put that together. We keep a lot like that. Now, behind the cameraman, a very dark section, is our projects. We've got lots of project bikes you won't see on the website, and they're all basically bikes bought in a disassembled format, so they're in bits really, and they need painting. They need a customer to say, I want a PX, or I want a Sprint, or I want a GS, or a LD, and then we go into this section, pull out one of these frames, get its forks and handlebars, and maybe order some panels and mud guards in, and get that together for our orders. And there are lots and lots of frames all upstairs again that we keep for that actual purpose. So if there's a bike you're dreaming of having, we've probably got it in stock. Just give us a ring. Going to be putting on the website for sale. It's just having a bit of clean up, paintwork done to it. That's it for a little walkthrough for now. We're busy. It's rally season, so we're getting going with it, and a little bit of everything going on. So give us a call if you need any servicing, restos, paintwork, engine rebuilds, anything to get you going again.